My name is Sreeshantha. I am a student in Chemistry of Technology. So this is my Samsung AI project naming demand forecasting based on price, income level, and seasonality indicators. So we are gonna apply libraries for it for to run the project. So after this, we will import the data set from Kaggle. So by data importing and data information. So we are uh, we are importing the data set, and so we can see these are the information in the header that we get, and this is the header where we have null values which are in the data set. So as you can see, then we are going we are going to go through data processing and cleaning. So you can see these are the some null values that we are getting in so getting in some of the attributes such as income segment, product category, promotion type, weather, and demand units. So what this is the total number of null values that we are getting. So we are gonna make it make it non-null, that is by the means of mean and mode. So if it is a numerical, we're gonna apply mean. If it is an object, then we are gonna apply mode. So after the data cleaning, we get no null values. So after this, we go through graphs. So we are comparing with the seasonality indicators. So if it's a promotion of an product that may be furniture or goods or something else, so we're gonna compare it with the demand. So if it's a discount or a buy one get one free and a bundle, if it's a bundle, there's a less amount of sales. So if it's a discount, it is showing some of the more as you can see below 2000 and above between 6000 to 8000, where the discount prevails more in sales. So buy one get one free, it's a seasonality indicator where we get in winters and summers. So after this, we go through another graph of demand per promotion type. So promotion, it may be some of the electronics, and promotion type usually prevails in furnitures and electronics. So it's gonna go up when it is buy one get one free, and if it's a bundle, it's gonna the the sales are gonna go high. Then we go through demand units. So the product, depending on the product category, so we have some graph. You can see the furniture. So it is an invalid graph. Why means the furniture is bought only in New Year seasons or new openings or something. So the furniture is going high, which is invalid. So the electronics, food, where food is normally neutral, where food is bought every time, yeah, it is a medium avenger. So the clothing and food and electronics should be high. So it is showing an invalid output as depending on the graph. So these are the demands depending on the category. So the furniture is high and electronic is low, food is low, and the cloth and the books are neutral as depending on the graph. So as you can see, it is showing furniture. The product life cycle is more in furniture because it prevails more through the years, and electronics, it may be fragile after many years and all. And the food, it is ordered every time, so it is gonna have the life cycle is high for food because the food is bought every time a person feels hungry. So the books are neutral, and the clothing is exactly the clothing only depends on seasonality, and books are neutral, so which may be low depending on the stage. So we gonna have count of this. Then the weather impact, yeah, it is a major impact where winter, summers, and modest rainy. So weather impact is when the weather impact is more, the season, buying is more. So and the medium and the low. Depending on the promotion type, like if it's a jacket or something, or it's a air cooler or a heater, so the promotion gets more the when the weather hits more, the promotion gets in distribution channels like advertisement and all. So the sales gonna go high depending on the price and the seasonality. So then we are gonna go through regression. So it is a the relationship between non-independent variable and dependent variable. So as we can see, the price increases in seasonality indexes where the demand go high as per the requirement. So the stockings will get more high when the stock is needed for seasonality and the demand with the promotion. Then we're going to go through some OLS regression as we get 0.008% as accuracy, so 0.85%. Then and then and the demand, so the target value is demand units, so we get 0.21 for the test data, that's 20% and 2% accuracy. So we're gonna go through classification with the using neural networks. So the classification highly prevails in demand forecasting, where this is the model we are using for classification, which prevails more and is used at maximum. So classification include demand class. So we are gonna divide it into high, low, and middle. So after this classification using neural networks, we get test data and get it trained. So the test accuracy is 94%, which is about 90 to 91%, and this is the high score, high and low and medium score. So classification using machine learning. So we need the target values demand units. So we are going to take the demands uh, so we get 31% accuracy in machine learning with regression accuracy, whereas random forest it will. So there are many demand units, so there are many decision trees where it is combined to get a single output, so that is 30%. Then we're going to throw front end model. So think that it is some kind of electronics, where we don't get buy one get one offer, we get some discounts in that. So it is a grow industry where electronics are buy at every season, where there is more discount. So products life cycle is it's a decline growth, where it's gonna get break, or it's fragile material. So let's see what is the output we are getting. So it's a medium, so we get a target value as medium. So if it's a clothing brand, so if the category goes to clothing, so the discount is applied. So product life cycle is growth, we get a medium output. So books are bought under bundles, so growth is decline. So after this we get the values like this, and we can see the correlation matrix, where it does not depend on the correlation, where it is differing. After this, so the demand units are the demand units highly demands are 9971, So the most buy in demand forecasting is electronics, where we get buy one get one offer, and the most minimum product that is used is books, and that's all. Thank you.